Hello everyone. Happy November 4th. Today we celebrate kindness, common sense, and the joy of giving back. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Kindness Day, a beautiful reminder to spread love and compassion. A great gift could be a kindness challenge card set, a gratitude journal, or a pay-it-forward token kit. What's one kind act you'll do today? Let's inspire the comments. Next, it's Use Your Common Sense Day, a humorous nudge to think before we act. A thoughtful gift could be a logic puzzle book, a witty decision-making guide, or a Think First desk sign. What's a moment you wish you'd used more common sense? Let's share and smile. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Chicken Lady Day, honoring Dr. Marthenia Tina Dupree and her work in education and empowerment. A sweet gift could be a motivational book, a donation to a literacy program, or a chicken-themed charm. Who's a woman who's inspired your growth? Let's celebrate her in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for December 1st to 5th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.